Friends, Andrew here. Welcome back to the tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make a post on LinkedIn from your phone. So once you're on your LinkedIn app, simply click the post with a plus at the bottom of your screen, and you will be taken over to where you can easily write your thoughts. So I'm going to write, for example, a good day. Yeah, let's write something like that, right? And I'm going to put like a little smiley face here. And if you want to add, for example, images or stuff like that, it is also really easy to do. So all you have to do really is just simply click the picture icon here on the lower right hand side of your phone, and you'll be taken into where you can choose a picture from your phone. So I'm going to go ahead and just randomly find some picture that I could use as an example. Let me just find something here. So let's choose this as an example here. Click on done, and as you can see that I have the picture there on my phone. You can crop that and you can do whatever it is to it. So I'm going to just simply click on next. You can see that the picture is there, and if I'm satisfied, on the upper right hand side I'm just going to go ahead and click and post. And as you can see here, it's currently uploading at the top, and that's how you make a post. And as you can see, it is successful. I can go ahead and I can see that the post is made. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.